Hello students, welcome to Money's the Learning app. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 4 of your civics book, that is gender, religion and caste. Okay, we have already studied about social differences in the previous chapter, right? We studied that social differences of one or the other kind exist in all the countries. Having social differences is not dangerous. But when the social differences take the form of social divisions, it means when one type of social difference overlaps the other, it is harmful or it can be harmful. Okay? So, we can say that, हम क्या कह सकते हैं? That when a social difference converts into a social division, in which forms we can see or we can look at them? These are जेंडर, रिलीजन एंड कास्ट. 3 वर्ड्स आपको टाइटल में दिखाई दे रहे हैं. जेंडर आप सब जानते हैं. जेंडर मीन्स द like male or being male or female. Okay, religion, following a particular belief, and caste is the subgroup of religion. So when these type of social differences overlap the other, they become gender division, religion division and caste division. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about gender, religion and caste as a social division, how they exist in our country, how they affect the politics and how they affect the life of people. ये सब चीजें हम लोग इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. शुरुआत जो है वो आपकी होगी जेंडर के साथ. See, gender difference means having the biological difference between male and female. ठीक है, एक पर्सन का मेल होना या फीमेल होना is the biological difference that can be called a gender difference. It is not dangerous, it is not negative, but discriminating per people on the basis of gender is wrong. Okay, and when is the gender division created? ये gender division कब create होता है? When we assign roles. We means as a part of society, when the society assign different roles to males and females, this creates the so-called gender division. Okay, so in this chapter we will be discussing about gender division, social division on the basis of religion. It means when social divisions are created on the lines of religion, and caste. I hope you all must be knowing about casteism. It means discriminating people on the basis of caste. We will also be discussing about communalism, that is related to religion, when we can say that it is a belief where a person thinks that his religion is superior as compared to the others. Okay? So, for watching the further videos, stay connected as the remaining topics will be covered in our further videos. So, thank you.